Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about direct consumption procurement process and also we'll see how system determines GL account automatically in our purchase requisition or in purchase order. So as I mentioned, direct consumption procurement. Direct consumption procurement means in this procurement process we purchase indirect items such as office items, stationery items or MRO items, okay, for direct consumption purpose. So for this, what we'll do, we'll create purchase requisition in a system. Okay, instead of creating in GUI, I will create purchase requisition in Fury. So for this we will use application manage purchase requisition professional. Here click on create button. I'm just putting some description. Consumption PR. Okay, document type is okay, we keep NB. Then in item section click on create. Here system will ask you, okay, what type of item you want to create, material or service. So here I will select material. As we have selected type of item is material, here you can see in the product type group field system has allocated product type group as a 1. As we are purchasing for direct consumption purpose, it means we need to select account assignment category. So here I will select account assignment category K. Then in item description field, okay, here we'll enter some short text or description or item description. So here I selected item description as a glass beaker. In plant field, here I will select plant as a 1711. In material group field, okay, here system has defaulted material group as a 01, but I will use appropriate. So here I am selecting material group as a lab. Then if you here we have field available desired vendor. So here what we'll do, we'll select desired vendor 173001 and our plant code and company code is 1711. So here I am selecting this 1734x01. In quantity field, here we'll select quantity. Let's say I am selecting quantity as a 1. Rest detail like delivery date, requisition, okay, we'll keep as it is. Then in evaluation price field, here we'll enter some random price, let's say 100 USD per one quantity per one each. Here I am setting unit as a each. Then scroll down. In account assignment tab, here you can see system has determined GL account automatically. The GL account is 516 5 times 0. Now we need to understand how this GL account is determined. Okay, for that purpose what we'll do, we'll just go above and we'll change this material group. Okay, instead of this lab, here we'll select material group as a 01. Hit enter. Now we'll see what impact occurs on GL account field. So here you can see under account assignment tab, what happened after changing material group, GL account, whatever the GL account system determined, okay, it has removed. So it means there is a relation between material group and GL account. So what relation and where we maintain that relation, okay, that we'll check now. So to determine GL account automatically in purchase requisition or in purchase order, okay, what we do in our purchasing, we maintain valuation class, or we link valuation class with material group. for automatic GL account determination, what we do, we assign valuation class to material group. So on basis of this assignment, what system does, system determines GL account. But only this assignment is not enough. Okay, assigning valuation class to material group, only this thing is not enough. Along with this assignment, okay, system also checks what account assignment category maintained in the, what account assignment category is selected in your purchase requisition or purchase order document. Okay, so these two things are important to determine GL account automatically in your purchasing document. So first of all, we'll see what, okay, this material group and valuation class assignment. So for this, we'll go to configuration setting, SPRO, then click on SAP reference IMG, then materials management, purchasing. Under purchasing, go to material master. Under material master, okay, here we have setting entry aids for items without a material master. Click on execute. Here search your material group. Our material group is lab. So here you can see for this material group, what valuation class is assigned, 3110. So here we'll mention, okay, in this case material group is lab, and for this is the valuation class assigned. Now next thing we'll check, in our purchase requisition, what account assignment category we have selected, cost center K. So now we'll go to cost center, means account assignment categories configuration setting. So for this, we'll again go to SPRO, IMG, materials management, purchasing. Under purchasing, we'll go to account assignment. In account assignment, we have setting available, maintain account assignment categories. Click on execute. Okay, so here number of standard account assignment categories are available. We selected account assignment category K in our purchase direction. So select this account assignment category K, click on details button. So here you can see under this account assignment category, number of checkboxes or number of fields are available, and also in below section, here you can see field status is also available. It means as per this account assignment category, system will populate this field status in your purchasing document. So here under this account assignment category K, here you can see consumption posting maintained as a V. V means consumption. It means if we are selecting this account assignment category, it means we are purchasing material for consumption purpose only. We are purchasing this material for consumption purpose only. Okay, and below this account consumption posting field, account modification field is we have, and under this account modification means account modifier, and under this account modifier, what account modifier is maintained, VBR. What account modifier is maintained, VBR. So here, okay, what we understood is we selected account assignment category K in our purchasing document, and for this account assignment category K, what account modifier is maintained, account modifier maintained is VBR. So as per this information, what system will do, when we'll create purchase requisition, when we create purchase requisition or purchase order with this account assignment category, what system does, system understand we are purchasing material for consumption purpose, and if we are purchasing material for consumption purpose, it means system will post material value to consumption GL account. Okay, as we are purchasing material for consumption purpose, it means system will post material value to consumption GL account. System will post material value to consumption GL account. And to post material value to consumption GL account, what transaction key system prefers? System prefers transaction key GBB. System prefers actually what system does? System will system will refer this GBB transaction key, and as per this GBB transaction key, what system will do? Along with this GBB, system will check what account modifier maintained in the account assignment category. So here you can see under this purchasing document, we have maintained account assignment category K, and for this account assignment category K, this is the account modifier maintained. It means system will determine that consumption GL account as per this transaction key and account modifier. Now what we'll do, we'll go back to our GL account mapping setting. So for this, what we can do, you can directly execute transaction code OBYC. OBYC is for GL account mapping setting. So go to OBYC, and under this OBYC, if you scroll down, okay, here we have transaction key available, offsetting entry for inventory posting. So double click on this GBP. Here select your chart of account. For our case, chart of account is this. So under this chart of account transaction key GBP, here what columns are available? First column is valuation modifier. Valuation modifier is nothing but valuation grouping code. Second column is general modifier. General modifier means account modifier. Third column is valuation class. Then here debit and credit GL account. So now, okay, now question comes, okay, how this valuation modifier, okay, or where this valuation modifier or valuation grouping code is maintained or assigned. So if we go to one more transaction, let me open one more screen. So there is one more configuration setting, group together valuation areas. So for this transaction code is OMWD. So under this OMWD, here you can see for valuation area, at valuation area level, okay, we maintain valuation grouping code. So in our case, our valuation area is 1711. So for this valuation area, what valuation grouping code is assigned? 0001 valuation grouping code is assigned. So if we go to OBYC setting, so here if we click on position, here we'll put, okay, our inputs. So our valuation modifier means our valuation grouping code is 0001. Then general modifier, we already checked, right? In account assignment category setting, we found general modification means account modifier as a VBR, and the third field is valuation class, and we already identified from material group configuration setting, okay, for this material group lab, this is the valuation class is assigned. So here we provide input of valuation class as a 3110. Click on continue button. So here you can see for this combination, okay, against this YCOA, chart of account YCOA and transaction key GBP, system will check if valuation grouping code is 0001 and general modifier is VBR, and this is the valuation class maintained for that material group, then system has to determine this GL account, and the GL account is 516 5 times 0. If we go back to our purchase equation, so here you can see same GL account system has determined 516 5 times 0. So this is how system determines GL account in purchase requisition or in purchase order. Now if we click on this error messages, what messages we are getting? This GL account requires an account assignment relevant to cost accounting. It means if we just click on navigation button, system is expecting to enter cost center. So here we'll enter cost center. So let's say in our case cost center is 1711 cost 1. Now we selected cost center. Click on back button. Still there is one error message, and what is that? enter purchasing group. So if you scroll down here under contact information, here you can select your purchasing group. So here I am selecting random purchasing group 001, and also here I will enter purchase organization. As we have already selected vendor, so here I am providing purchase organization details also. So in our case purchase organization is 1711. Okay, press enter or click on apply button. So see, all error messages are gone. Okay, and this is the warning message, so we can ignore this message. Click on apply. So we don't have any error, right? Click on create. Again click on create in pop-up. So purchase requisition has been created, and what is the purchase requisition number? 1001530 1001530. So here what happened, under this purchase requisition it shows status as a awaiting approval. Awaiting approval. Let me copy this purchase requisition. Okay. And we'll open this purchase requisition in GUI. Okay. In GUI you can open this purchase requisition in display mode with the transaction code ME53N. Okay, if you see at item level it shows approval details. Under approval details, if you see, okay, this purchase requisition, okay, flexible workflow got triggered, and with, okay, what happened, okay, system auto approved this purchase requisition. If we go back to Fury application, you can search the same purchase requisition in this application only. Okay, this is our purchase requisition. Here it is showing status as a approved. So now purchase requisition is created, and the next step is convert purchase requisition to PO. So for this what we'll do, okay, we will use this application process purchase requisitions, process purchase requisition. Here you can directly click on go button, or okay, here I will search purchase requisition by entering purchase requisition number. So this is our purchase requisition. If you select this purchase requisition, see what options are available. Against this purchase requisition you can create contract, or create RFQ, or create purchase order. Anything is possible. So I selected this purchase requisition, and here you can see processing status is a non-edited. It means against this document there is no following documents are created. So select this document and click on create purchase order. Okay, just click on close. So this new purchase requisition, here you can observe general information, okay, purchase order, document type, purchasing group, everything. Go to items section. Here you can see further details. Now click on save. As we have already filled all information in purchase requisition and we don't want to do any changes, so here you can see after clicking on save, system has created standard PO under the number 44x01853. If you click on this purchase order number, it will open purchase order details. Yeah, so this is the purchase order, and here you can see this purchase order status is in approval. Approval means, okay, if you go to header section approval details, here it will show this purchase order is pending for approval, it is ready for approval, and these are the recipient, means these are the approvers, okay, who can approve this purchase requisition. And here you can see under recipient, okay, I guess this is my ID and one more person ID, okay, who can approve this purchase order. So what I will do, I will just copy, or no need to copy, as here you can see in recipient column already where our ID is maintained. If you go to notification section, here you can see we receive notification to approve this purchase order. So if I go back, okay, to home screen and try to approve purchase order, so this is the purchase order, okay, just we created, and here will approve. Now purchase order is approved. If we go back to GUI, I will open same purchase order in GUI. The purchase order number is 454x01853. Yeah, so this is the purchase order. If we go to header section flexible workflow tab, here it will show, okay, green status. It means, okay, purchase order is approved, okay, with no error, purchase order release. And in the comment section, here you can see the comment. Go to item details, okay, here you can observe all information on the purchase order. Now, okay, suppose this purchase order is received by supplier and supplier has delivered required indirect item. Now the next step is perform good receipt. So in GUI we can perform good receipt with Migo transaction, but in Fury what we can do, we'll try to perform good receipt with the application post goods movement. Post goods movement, it's similar to your GUI Migo transaction. Okay, what action we want to do, okay, we want to perform good receipt. So here selected action as a goods receipt. Against which reference document you want to perform good receipt? Against purchase order I want to perform good receipt. So here we'll select purchase order as a reference document. Against which document? So against this PO document I want to purchase GR, and what movement type? With 101 movement type. So press enter. So what system will do? System will fetch all information from the purchase order. I'm just minimizing this header section. Okay, if we go to here tab, here you can see, as we are purchasing material for consumption purpose, and in the purchase document we selected account assignment category K. So here storage location field C is not available. It means with that account assignment category, what happened? This storage location field, okay, has suppressed. The storage location field has suppressed. In the purchase order data tab you can see purchase order number. Then in account assignment tab you can get all account assignment details like cost center, okay, GL account, all information here you can see. So now, okay, what we'll do, as all details are okay, then we'll select item okay checkbox, click on check button. So document is okay for good receipt, so I am clicking on post button. So material document has been posted. If we go back to purchase order, open this purchase order again, as material document posted means, okay, system posted GR, okay, and with this action system will update purchase order history in the purchase order. So here you can see under our PO, okay, purchase order history tab, okay, updated, and in this purchase order history tab you can see material document posted with 101 movement type. If you open this document, go to header data. Under that, go to doc info tab, click on FI documents. So from here you can check accounting document. So double click on accounting document. So here you can see two types of GL account system has determined. Let me go to change layout. I will add few columns. I'm adding cost center column. Along with the cost center, we'll add transaction key column. Yeah. So see what system did. A system has determined this GL account, which we already saw. This system determined this GL account in our purchase requisition and in purchase order through that material group, valuation class, and account assignment category configuration setting. And here you can see system has mentioned transaction key as a KBS. It means what happens if we go to one more configuration setting, OMWN, as we did good receipt, okay, as we have performed good receipt for indirect item, it means okay, it will not update inventory with valuation on value basis or on quantity basis, okay, and we perform movement against purchase order, okay, against purchase order, and we perform that material movement for consumption purpose. So if we go to position, here we will select movement type is 101, valuation, okay, with this movement, okay, system will not update inventory on value basis as well as on quantity basis. So there is no special stock we selected. Movement indicator is B, means with reference to purchase order we posted good receipt and we posted good receipt for consumption purpose, right? So here we will select consumption as V. So on basis of this, what system will do? System determines this valuation string. System determines this valuation string, and here you can say what transaction key system has determined, KBS. It means when we perform good receipt for consumption procurement purpose, okay, what system does? System post that material value, okay, system will post that material value to this consumption GL account through this transaction key, and the transaction key is KBS. But for this KBS, if we go to OBYC, okay, here you can see account determination checkbox is inactive. It means against this transaction key KBS, okay, we don't maintain any GL account, we don't map any GL account for this transaction key. And if you see the description, account assignment purchase order, it means whatever the account is determined, whatever the GL account is determined in the purchasing document, system will consider those system will consider that GL account for consumption posting. So in this case what happened, system determined a GL account in our purchase and in PO, a system considered that GL account as a consumption GL account, and system posted that material value under that GL account. And against, okay, as we have performed GR against PO, okay, system has posted system credited that material value to GRIR clearing account, and system determined this GRIR clearing account through WRX transaction key. So this is how system determines GL account in the GR. So GR is posted. After GR, okay, from account payable team side, what they will do, they will perform invoice posting. So we'll copy this PO number, and again this PO will perform invoice posting. So for this, we'll go to Fury screen. Now we'll post invoice through create supplier invoice advanced application. Our company code is 1711. Okay, if you go to profile section and click on about, okay, here you can see technical compound ID is Myro or GUI framework application. It means, okay, it's GUI application. Okay, in PO refer, okay, in invoice date field I will put invoice date as a 15 March. In reference field I will just put invoice some external reference number. Then in PO reference field, here enter PO number, hit enter. So system has fetched all information from the purchase order. Now click calculate tax. So, no issues, zero tax calculated. So how much balance? 100. So here I put invoice amount as 100. No amount authorization for customer vending. Provided you are explicitly user group, amount authorization to user blank is back. If you entered no amount authorization for customer vendor item has been specified in the company code for the user group to which you are assigned, provided you are not explicitly assigned to user group, amount authorization to group blank is valid. Okay. If you entered okay, this is GL account setting. Oh sorry, do one thing. Logistic invoice verification, authorization management, maintain authorization. Okay, click on post button. No amount authorization. Let me go back to view details. No amount authorization for customer vendor item has been specified in the company code for the user group to which you are assigned, provided that you are not explicitly assigned to user group. Amount initiate the maintenance of it 0243 and 2043 company code authorization T043. Okay, so we'll go back to assign user tolerance group. Let me remove this. Okay, we'll directly enter my row, create supplier advanced. Here enter okay, reference then we'll select calculate tax. Okay, is balance amount is 100, so we enter in the go to simulation tab. See, in the, if you click say on simulate tab here button, here it will show simulation. Okay, this is how system will post accounting entry after posting invoice. So click on back and click on post. Yeah, so document has been posted. And if we go back to purchase order, so in the purchase order history it will show invoice document. If we go back to if we click on this invoice document, click on follow on document, so here you can see accounting document posted during invoice receipt. Okay, so go to change layout, go to change layout, or you can directly search from here, select column transaction, this is the transaction column. So see, these are the accounting entries for invoicing document KBS and WRX. So this is how GL account determines in purchase requisition or in purchase order in case of consumption, direct consumption procurement. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching. Bye.